Sushiswap had a rocky beginning with its controversial launch in 2020, but it is now one of the leading decentralized exchanges. Its reach has dramatically increased, pushing Sushiswap prices to soar and earning favorable Sushiswap price predictions. Will Sushiswap price explode like Uniswap? Watch the video to the end to understand the price actions and why Sushiswap is required for the crypto world. Sushiswap is based on Uniswap's code and has diverse decentralized finance, DeFi products and services. A Sushiswap user, called a DeFi chef, enjoys many perks when using the platform to manage crypto assets. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you wouldn't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. Sushiswap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, using the Ethereum blockchain. It provides an alternative to liquidity provider, LP tokens exchange. Using the automated market maker, AMM, protocol, Sushiswap is enabled by smart contracts, allowing users to buy and sell through Sushi DeFi and decentralized exchanges. Its native token, Sushi, can be considered a governance token, enabling users interested in influencing future Sushi token price and roadmap. Now let's take a look at 5 important reasons why Sushiswap is still important. Number 1. High Total Value Locked, or TVL. Total value locked is the total amount of funds locked into a DeFi protocol, and it measures how robust and liquid a DeFi protocol is. It also indicates the market's interest in a specific protocol given its current performance. Trading a Sushiswap coin provides you with an opportunity for growth due to its volatility. The total value locked of Sushiswap surged by 990% a year after its launch. Its TVL peaked at almost $5 billion in the middle of 2021, though it stagnated at more than $2 billion by the end of the same year. Its products and services offer appealing features that are unavailable in other crypto exchanges. For example, according to Sushiswap's website, it offers the most competitive rates for DeFi crypto blue chips, enabled by its multi-chain AMM function. Sushiswap is a steadily growing community with various social media channels to engage with Sushi holders and wallet holders of other cryptocurrencies. 2 of these channels are Discord and Sushiswap Forum. Number 2. Sushiswap is a safe platform. Sushiswap targets DeFi users who can fully own their Sushiswap crypto assets. It only provides the platform for trading, but you hold 100% ownership of all of your purchases in Sushiswap. Unlike centralized exchanges, Sushiswap is not bound by books or records to accomplish trades. To accomplish this, Sushiswap takes the initiative of connecting decentralized exchanges to avoid having a third party track the financial records of its users. A secure, decentralized, and anonymous trade is possible by connecting a user's wallet to the software. Then, both the buyer and seller lock assets into a liquidity pool using smart contracts. The pool has protocol rules that make the trade secure to ensure both parties receive the exact amount they agreed upon. Users are also incentivized to follow the protocols of the liquidity pool to help maintain the security of Sushiswap. Number 3. Big financial institutions are entering DeFi. DeFi, or decentralized exchanges, give users better control over their money than most traditional institutions, such as banks, financial markets, stocks trading, etc. Another paradigm shift is buzzing through the DeFi space. Institutions other than traditional ones are starting to adapt to the economic boom of DeFi. Whether this breeds good or bad news to the main principles that make DeFi appealing, Sushiswap's platform maintains the core foundation of DeFi by maintaining its users' privacy, security, and control when trading using its platform. Sushiswap sustains growth because it consistently fulfills its vision to make DeFi exchanges accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This accessibility reduces the need to rely on big financial institutions or market makers to interfere with the crypto assets of Sushi holders or cryptocurrency owners alike. Number 4. The Sushiswap app is making high revenue. Sushiswap owes its overall positive platform trend to its various products and services and the boom of its user growth. It easily gained a following when it launched because of its ties to Uniswap. Still, the improvements it made to the Uniswap code appealed to users interested in evolving to the DeFi experience. The protocols in place at the liquidity pools take a 0.3% cut from transactions, but its maintenance incentivizes users. This system makes the platform circulate more money than usual by buying and selling DeFi or centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Number 5. You can influence Sushiswap's future. Sushi coin is considered a utility token. Specifically, the X-Sushi coin is considered as the governance token. Owners who purchase and hold substantial X-Sushi coins will be allowed to contribute and suggest changes to the Sushiswap price prediction and roadmap. Additionally, its members can vote and voice their opinions on the trajectory of the whole platform and company. Now there are some exciting developments regarding Sushiswap. The DEX is moving toward a vote to turn the supposedly leaderless project over to 2 foundations and a corporation that will provide a remarkably centralized version of decentralization. The Sushiswap proposal, made by a law firm hired for its experience in crypto and DeFi, would create a 3-part structure: a foundation based in the Caymans to create a governance council to administer the governance votes, facilitate voting, and administer the project's fee-based treasury. It would also have a Panamanian foundation to administer the existing Sushi protocol and hire developers for ongoing work, and a foundation-owned Panamanian corporation to operate the GUI layer front end of the protocol. Now let's take a look at Sushiswap's price. The DEX was at $1.45 with a 24-hour trading volume of 105 million USD at the time of recording. The top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Sushiswap stock are currently Binance, BTCEX, XT.com, Bitrue, and OKX. As far as Sushiswap price predictions are concerned, there are different opinions. Trading Beast expects an upturn towards $1.63 by the end of 2023. This is a bearish indicator for a DeFi gem like Sushi. PricePrediction.net is a little positive but not bullish, putting the predicted price to hit around $2.8 by end of 2023. Current market conditions have affected the future price predictions. Wallet Investor are more pessimistic about Sushiswap's future price, citing numbers downwards of $0.8208 by year-end. At Crypto's Genie, we only consider the long-term potential for Sushi, and with Ethereum 2.0 acceptance, we forecast a bull run with a price of $10. Sushi is a cryptocurrency asset that, once the uptrend returns, can offer you higher returns. Sushi's market capitalization of under 161 million USD places it in the high-risk, high-reward category. Sushiswap allows users to enjoy the extent of DeFi through their platform. Users can buy LP tokens to be used on their platforms without the participation of a third party. It provides a safe DeFi environment projected to grow more revenue in the next 5 years. You can purchase X-Sushi coins to get governance rights to influence the company's growth. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you are still here, please go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. Also check out our website and Twitter handle, links in description. Thank you for watching.